painting exterior siding requires different prep and paint choices depending on whether you have vinyl, fiber, cement, or wood. For vinyl siding, start by washing the surface with a mild detergent solution and a soft brush to remove dirt and chalking. Avoid pressure washing at high settings to prevent warping. Choose a paint formulated specifically for vinyl, which has a lower sheen and a slower cure rate, so it expands and contracts with temperature changes without peeling. Paint on a cool, overcast day and keep material and surface temperatures between 40 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit if possible. Work in small sections so the paint does not skin over before it levels. For fiber cement, first inspect for loose edges or minor damage and replace or repair as needed. Then prime bare edges with a high adhesion primer and use 100% acrylic latex paint with good mildewcide and high pigment load for durability. When painting wood siding, perform comprehensive preparation, including scraping loose finish, sanding to a feathered edge, filling gaps, and treating any rot with consolidant or replacement. Always seal end grain with primer and back prime boards where accessible. Apply a full system on wood of primer plus 2 top coats of exterior acrylic latex or oil modified paint depending on the wood species and exposure, and maintain attention to flash rust on nails by using a rust inhibitive primer. Common mistakes include painting vinyl with standard exterior house paint, which can crack and peel because it cures too quickly and cannot follow thermal movement. Fix this by using vinyl-specific paint and testing a small area first. Another frequent error is skipping primer on fiber cement and painting directly over bare or cut edges, which leads to edge lift and moisture penetration. Prevent this by priming all cut ends and using 100% acrylic latex designed for fiber cement. With wood, a typical oversight is failing to seal end grain and recoat properly, which causes rapid moisture, ingress, and paint failure. Address this by thoroughly sealing end grain, using a quality primer, and applying 2 full top coats while monitoring flash times and drying conditions. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home improvement topics like siding, painting, helping us find local professionals, and letting contractors find work opportunities. We also host a discussion community where we share practical advice, project photos, and contractor recommendations so our members learn from real experiences.